In today's busy world, we all strive to work hard, to push ourselves, so we can take advantage of the moments that truly matter. The moments that make us smile. The moments that make us who we are. Unfortunately, with each long day, it's only a matter of time until you start to feel fatigued or drowsy. No one wants to feel this way, but we all do. And for those times, there's Spark. A beautiful, simple, and elegant timepiece. Spark helps you stay alert throughout the day by monitoring your active movements so you can continue to stay focused. No one realizes when they doze off. It just sort of happens. If you do doze off, Spark will gently remind you to wake back up. So now you can be sure to never miss out on that important moment in time, because time is the one thing we can never get back. Introducing Spark, the watch that keeps you awake.